Why do I look like Glam? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Amber. Today's video is kind of short one, but I said it was going to be fun and different. As you can see, I have created a galaxy on my eyes. So that is the gist for today. I'm going to be showing you how I did it, and you can recreate it if you want. I do go through the steps of what I've done. My dog Squish is also featured in this video because he's being lazy. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video so you don't hear me rambling on anymore. So everyone, clearly you now know I wear glasses because I'm blind. So let's just get rid of them, and then we will put my hair out of the way too. First step. So I'm not really going to try and talk while I'm doing this. Like, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do and then I'm just going to jump straight into it, so it's not long and your ears won't bleed listening to me talk for another 35 minutes. So you can thank me later. I'm going to do my foundation off camera. I'm just going to use my Wake Me Up. This is my go-to. If you ever see me starting with foundation on, it will probably be this because I feel like it's good coverage, it's everyday wear, and it works well with everything. So I'm gonna go put that back on and then we'll get back into the video, into the things that are important. So I'll be back. Okay everybody, I'm back and better than ever and ready to start this makeup tutorial. I don't know what that was. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna line where we're gonna have this beautiful open wound thing. So let's do that. I think by now you should all know that I'm weird. So I'm just going to use the Models Prefer Lines Conceals Highlight Magic Multiple Purpose Pencil. I'm just going to draw a random patch, because what can go wrong? Like that. So you look like Pongo from 101 Dalmatians, minus the rest of the spots. And now we are going to, where did I even get this from? Now we are going to put the latex on. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, I've decided to scratch the latex for today because I think like I need to do a lot more practice on that, and I might just save that for like Halloween. So yeah, so instead I'm just gonna like galaxyify my face, but I'm only gonna do it like so. I'm gonna be using James Charles, obviously. When do I ever use anything else ever? And the other Morphe. Morphe. Someone correct me on it, please. Tell me which way is right. Yeah, so I'm going to be using those. Oh my god, no, don't have the James Charles palette. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to be using those two. So, ow, my tail. Because I am putting it like that, I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush. I am going to be using the same brush for every colour because I want it all to mix in and kind of like blend into like a galaxy look. So we're going to do that. And the first colour I'm going to use, they really need to write the names under these things because I have no idea what I'm looking for. But the first colour I'm going to use is this purple here from this palette, which it doesn't say on the back, or I'm just blind. Oh, from the 35B palette. Yeah, so I'm going to use that purple from the 35B palette. Hope for the best. This is probably going to stain my face and it's going to take me like 6 hours to get off. Not complaining though, I actually don't care that much, but like I just feel like this is going to be a real effort to get off, and I literally just got out of the shower, so I probably should have showered after. We all make mistakes and we all grow from them. Not sure if Violet from Willy Wonka or not. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with this dark blue from the James Charles palette, and I'm also going to be probably going in with that and like mixing them together so it's not too dark around like you know, one area. So I'm going to be doing that, and we're going to hopefully look presentable, as I say every time. James Charles is probably quaking, being like, don't mix my colours together, don't mix my colours together, just don't. I'm sorry. So it's looking a little bit weird right now, but it will all come together at the end, I promise. It's not going to look this stupid. Okay, again, going in with the James Charles palette, I'm just going to be using this black. It's the perfect black. It's so pigmented, it's beautiful, and I just feel like you need like that sort of good black. And no, I'm not sucking up his ass. I am genuinely serious. Every other black that I have ever used, it's not pigmented, so I actually want to be really careful with this one because like it just, it's gonna like I'm going to be taking a different brush because I'm going to be dipping into the pink from the 35B palette, and I'm just going to be placing that to kind of give it a bit more colour so I don't look like I've been punched in the face 455 times. Stunning. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my BYS highlight palette, and I'm just going to be placing it like a little bit of everywhere so it kind of gives it that like galaxy. This is really making my nose look like Squidward. I hate myself. Okay, so far this is what I've got. Makes my nose look like I should be in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory playing Violet Beauregard, because that's what it's looking like so far, but it's all good because we are going to use, not that. I almost fell off my chair. That was really scary. So we're going to be using the NYX white liquid liner, and we're going to be creating some little stars all around. Yeah. Okay, so that completes like the galaxy side of things. I honestly I'm not the biggest fan of this liquid liner because I feel like it goes crusty really, really quickly, and it kind of just makes everything look shit when it has gotten to that point. But for now, it's kind of looking half decent, but I still look like I've been punched in the eye, so. But anyway, the next step is I'm just gonna like kind of finish off the rest of my face and then apply some lashes, and hopefully this looks So I'm just going to be using like the purpley and the pinks just to create like a nice smoky eye on this side. I'll video that, but I'll put it in fast motion so I don't like ramble on. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I will talk at the end. What was I doing? My eye. That's what I was doing. Let's just... No! Just got all my brushes. I need to stop throwing... Oh, guys! Meet Squish! Squish, say hi! He's so beautiful. He always sits down here when no one's home because today's my day off, so like I get squished all to myself. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up now and just do what I need to. So I've just done my eye off camera because I was taking too long. So I've just done like a little bit of a wing liner. I've put some Stila metallic metals in my eyes to make them pop a little bit more and to make the galaxy look a little bit more stars and all that shit. So I'm just going to put some fake lashes on, do my contour, and then yeah. Holy shit, these metallic metals are actually burning my eyelids. I don't know if that's normal, but it's hurting. Ouch. Help. It's actually really burning. It's only burning this eye though. This eye's fine. This one's actually like... Oh! Hopefully I add some background music so like when I do these random dances, I'm not just looking like an idiot, which I probably am, so... Okay everybody, this completes today's makeup look. It was a bit of a fun thing, something different. I said I was gonna do that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I know it was pretty short, but like I feel like you don't want to listen to me talk for 20 minutes straight. So I thought something different and short would be good, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I thought it was fun. I know I changed it like halfway through, but I think it turned out pretty good. And now I'm going to be self-absorbed for like 30 seconds in slow-mo, so stick around for that. I'm totally kidding. I'm not doing that. You know what? If I ever do that, someone please shut down my YouTube channel, because I don't like it when people do that. I think it's, I don't know. It just makes me uncomfortable watching it. Like they're full like for half an hour and I'm like, stop, you're making me feel uncomfortable. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell below so you get notifications. Yeah, so if you want to do that, you can, and I will see you all next week. Bye, everybody.